Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in previous video I showed you how to create a critical error on your WordPress website. Now today, so this video is a continuation from the previous video. So now, how do we fix this? Now, if you remember, those of you that made backup to these functions of PHP, you could just restore and delete. But in this case, I didn't make a backup. So what am I going to do? And but though I remember what I did, but let's interpret this. Preface error, syntax error, unexpected token. So this shows and tells us where the problem is just by looking at it. So it shows me that, say, from here, know how to app public WP content teams 2025 functions of PHP online 162. So that means that I just need to go to, let me close this, let me start again. I just need to go to my site folder. Now it says site folder, that is the know how to. I'm going to go to app. So public. Now it said app public WP content. Now I will do it. WP content. Now it said teams. See, WP content, then teams. Good. Now let's see 2025 functions of PHP. 2025 functions of PHP. We're going to open this. Good. Now, from the error message, it says on line 162. So that's where the error is. So let's look at it. 162. Scroll down. This is depending on the editor you are using. So some are lined already, but in this case, I know 162 is down, so I just need to scroll down. So if you look at it, this is line 162, yeah? 162, 163. So in the code, what's missing is semicolon. Okay, I'm going to put semicolon, and that's it. Just semicolon. And I'm going to save and cancel. Okay. Now I'm going to try to load and let's see if it's work. Boom, and we're back, and that's it. So let me move this. You see, Noah subscribe is still here, which is the one we use. So which is the one we use here? Yeah, if you notice it, know how to please subscribe and share. So it's the one we use there. So it's only the semicolon just that fix this particular error. So what you need to do when something like this happens, read the error message, just check, interpret the error message, follow what the error message is saying. You could troubleshoot your file, you could disable your plugins or your themes to also know where the problem is coming from. But in this case, from the error message, I could tell where the problem is coming from. So each problem might differ, but it's likely it's the same process. So and you can see my website is back to normal, and I don't have any issue. I'm going to reload it again to be sure, and you can see it's back. It's back. Good. Thank you so much for watching. I want you to like, subscribe, and share and comment the next error we are going to make an